Alright, let's look at the homework 4.1, problem number 10. Alright, so what we want to do is we're going to use the definition to find the area of the region under the function 2x squared, right here, from 0 to 4. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, actually they did quite a bit of work for us. Alright, so you have, so you're doing the right sum, and which is gonna look like this, right? So what they did was combine this 2 and 4n together to get an, right? Then you're gonna have, let's see, n squared, because n squared on the bottom, and this is going to be actually, they take let's see, 4 out, so that you're going to have 1 squared, right? Actually, you're going to have to take 4 squared, so it's going to be 16. So what you get is actually, so pull 16 out. So 4 squared, if you pick 16 out, you're going to have 1 squared, 1, same thing. And pull 4 out from here, actually 4 squared, so 16. So you have 2 squared, so that's where 16 has come from. And you have an n squared, so you have to divide by n squared. Alright, so that's how, that's what you get. So you just pull out 16 from the top and the n squared from the bottom, and that's the rest. And you're gonna get the leftover 1 square and the 2 square from there, and that's 3 square, and so on. Right? So you can see that from there. Alright, then next step would be combine these two. So you have 16 times 8. So that's going to be, let's see, 6 times 8 is 48, and 1 times 8, so 128. Right, then you have to divide by n to the n cubed. Right, so that's that. And we have this formula for the sum of I squared. Right, so you have, right, this part right here is going to be replaced by this formula, so you have that here. And here, this is going to be 128 divided by n cubed, right? And then this is going to be equal to, let's see, you're going to have, so we can at least cancel out the n's. So you have 128 divided by 6, 128 divided by 6, right? Then let's see, you're going to have n squared left over. Oops. And so n squared left over on the bottom. And of course, on top you have n plus 1 and also 2n plus 1. Alright, then so we have, so exactly the same thing. Can I just copy this? Maybe not. So you have right, maybe I should do a fraction. Right, 128 and parentheses n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6n squared. Oh, I didn't put 6n squared, right? And this can be simplified as 128 over 6. Alright, and then you just rewrote this 128 over 6, and then same thing, 128 over 6 times, this is going to go to 1 and this is going to go to 2. So you have a 128, then 2 and the, oops. Right, 2 and the 6 cancel out, so 128 divided by 3. Right, so let's go down and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got all these guys correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.